This is an audio reading of density of Earth's layers for the Layers of the Earth Density Lab. Earth is a layered planet. Its layers are the core, mantle, and crust. Each layer is a different composition. Note that with plate tectonics theory, different layers are classified according to the way they deform. These layers are the lithosphere, a rigid outer layer containing the crust and upper mantle, the asthenosphere, a weaker semi-molten layer in the mantle, and the mesosphere, a stronger layer in the lower mantle. Earth's crust is the most accessible to study, but also more complex, with many more variations in composition. The crust of Earth is divided into two types, oceanic and continental. Most oceanic crust is composed of the rock basalt. Basalt is mafic, which means it has a high magnesium and iron content. It is composed of the minerals calcium-rich plagioclase feldspar, olivine, amphiboline, and pyroxene. Continental crust has more range in composition, but for our purposes, we will assume that its average composition is similar to the rock granite. Granite is a felsic rock, which means it has a high feldspar and silica content. It is composed of quartz, potassium-rich feldspar, and mica. Mafic rocks contain denser minerals, and therefore oceanic crust is denser than continental crust. The average density of basalt is 3.0 grams per cubic centimeter, and granite is 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter. On average, continental crust is much thicker and older than oceanic crust. It is a tougher challenge to gain ideas about the composition of Earth's core. The inner core's density is estimated to be between 12.7 to 13 grams per cubic centimeters, using evidence from seismology. But our best evidence of core composition comes from iron meteorites, which are composed of alloys of iron and nickel. Seismic evidence and characteristics of Earth's magnetic field are consistent with a liquid outer core, the density equaling 9.9 to 12.1 grams per cubic centimeter. It is composed of a mixture of iron and an element of lower density. Iron compounds are a mixture of iron and other substances, so they may be less dense than iron and nickel.